FluentPro Backup is a cloud-based platform that protects project management system data. FluentPro Backup automatically backs up data in your Monday.com system according to your schedule. Let's review how to restore data from the backup. First, let's go to Monday.com and delete a board. Open the FluentPro Backup app and head to the Data Protection page. Here you can find all board backups. We will find our board, set the time frame, and select the latest backup copy of this board for the selected date. Click the Restore button. There are several options for restoring the boards. The first is to restore it as a copy of a board. The next is Recovery with the Data Merge. Let's select the second option, Recovery with Data Merge. Click the Restore Now button. On the Operation Details page, you can monitor the status and review the summary of all operations launched within FluentPro Backup. There is an option to initiate the restoration process for multiple boards. Open the Backup Summary page from the Operation Details page and click the Restore button. The restoration operation has now been completed successfully. Open Monday.com and verify that the board was indeed restored. As you can see here, the board, its tasks, and field values were fully restored. For more information about FluentPro Backup, please visit our website or contact our sales team.